I keep my coat on the chair, like maybe you'll call tonight. Your name in my phone lit up, then gone before it's right. I caught your eyes on me once, then you looked away too fast. I'm standing here with this truth, wanting a moment to last. If you only knew how I save my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. I remember your voice in the hall when you said my name like rain. I wanted to answer so bad, but I swallowed all that pain. You may not see what I see, or maybe you're scared to try. I'm not asking for forever, just a reason and a light. If you only knew how I saved my heart for you, every small chance, every sign, I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. If you're unsure, I'll be soft. If you're afraid, I'll stay. I won't force the door open, I'll wait for you that way. But don't leave me in the dark with my hands full of you. Say yes, say no, say something, I need the truth from you. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. Don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. Let me love you, let me prove it. Let me love you. Your side of the bed stays cold tonight. Your coffee cup still where you left it by the light. I hear your laugh inside these empty rooms, but silence comes too early without you. Every sunset feels a little too long. Every morning starts a little less strong. I carry your memory through my day, counting hours miss you every time you're far from home, but our love has learned how to stay strong. I carry your heart wherever I go. Even when you're far, you're never unknown. So come back safe into my arms again, where our forever starts and never ends, until you're home again. Home again, I'll be waiting till you're home again. The door will open someday soon, your shadow dancing through this room, and I'll hold you close like I always dreamed, together again, where we're meant to be.
My love, you pack your bag like it won't hurt this time. Door shuts soft and loud, and the room goes blind. Your cup still by the sink, your scarf on the chair. I reach for your shadow, but it isn't there. And I can act so tough till the hall goes quiet. Then the whole night folds and I can't deny it. My love, every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Take a piece of me with you. My love, every time you go away, I stay, but I break in two. I break in two. Yeah, your old receipt in my coat, faded in my palm. 3 missed calls deep and I still hold on. I drive past your block just to slow my heart. Same red gate, same porch, same missing part. And I can act so tough till the hall goes quiet. Then the whole night folds and I can't deny it. My love, every time you go away, you take a piece of me with you. Take a piece of me with you. My love, every time you go away, I stay, but I break in two. I break in two. If you ever come back, I still know your step. Still know that look right before you left. Put it back in my hands, put it back in my chest. I don't want half a life, I want all of it.
breaking too.
From London to New York, then California sky, westbound through the morning. I keep your face in mind. Sydney on the window, koalas in my sleep, but your name is calling across the widest sea. The journey keeps on turning, hour by hour, by road and rain. I hold your voice inside me like a map I can't explain. My love, I will see you soon. I will see you soon. The journey is long, but I hold on. I will see you soon. Meet me halfway if you cannot wait, but I trust in the dawn. I will see you soon. Port Moresby is shining under the bird of paradise. Every mile gets lighter when I picture your eyes. I count the nights between us on my fingers one by one, and every mile says clearly I am not done.
the door, and the whole room feels right.
Your laugh in the hallway turns my cloudy days to light.
We talk in little pieces,
Tea goes cold in my hand.
just being next to you, baby.
Makes the world make sense again.
Then you walk out slow, and the minutes get long. I keep your chair warm
Till the day drifts on. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I miss your whole face. I miss your warm room. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I'm counting the hours till I hold you. Ooh.
Your side of the bed stays tidy, but I reach for you at night.
Silence feels too roomy when your keys are out of sight.
I smile at your old messages,
Then I smile at the floor,
I know you'll be home again.
and I want you more and more. Then you walk out slow, and the minutes get long. I keep your chair warm till the day drifts on. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I miss your whole face. I miss your warm room. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I'm counting the hours till I hold you. Ooh. Say you're almost there. Say you're turning in. I'll be at the window with that same bright grin. One more night alone, then your hands on mine. I can live on hope till you cross that line. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I miss your whole face. I miss your warm room. Come back to me soon. Come back to me soon. I'm counting the hours till I hold you. Another day, another night alone, trying to smile, trying to stay strong. Morning light comes through my window, but your side still feels so cold. Coffee waiting on the table, memories I cannot hold. Oh, every street still says your name now. Every song pulls me apart. I keep walking through the hours with your shadow in my heart. People say that time keeps moving and the pain will fade away, but every sunset finds me missing everything we used to say. Another day living without you is not easy. Another night trying to sleep without your touch. I tell myself I'm gonna make it through somehow, but missing you still hurts too much. Another day living without you is not easy.
been hiding all my feelings, trying hard to mask the pain. Every little thing reminds me how your love became my home. Now the silence keeps on speaking, and I face this world alone. Everybody keeps on talking, life goes on like nothing changed. But inside this quiet beating, nothing feels the way it did. Hey, another day, living without you is not easy. Another night, trying to sleep without your touch. I tell myself I'm gonna make it through somehow, but missing you still hurts too much. Another day, living without you is not easy. This empty room still feels your love everywhere. I keep holding on to hope you'll come back to me, 'cause my heart still finds you there. If you could hear these words I'm singing, would you turn around tonight? Would you remember what we built together before we lost our light? I still believe beyond the distance, beyond the tears I've cried. Some loves never stop believing, even when goodbye survives. Another day, living without you is not easy. Every breath still carries pieces of your name. I keep searching through tomorrow for your memory, while pretending I'm okay. Another day, living without you is not easy. But love like us does not just disappear. So I'll keep this flame alive inside my soul until somehow you reappear. Another day, living without you is not easy, but my heart still waits for you.
Port Moresby, calling my name. My heart beats a wild jungle drum. 1,000 miles feel like a million. Yeah, a million miles to you. This distance is a cruel game, but my spirit ain't none. Oh, the world keeps spinning, life keeps winning. Port Moresby, my love, my sweet refrain. You are always on my mind. No doubt, no fear, no pain, just sunshine and warm rain. Port Moresby, sweet love of mine. Plans are just lines in the sand, washed away by the tide. Uncertainty, a heavy hand, but love won't be denied. Rain taps rhythms on a Camden street. Late train humming like a memory. Your name still lingers in my phone, but oceans turned us into ghosts.
I trace the skyline in my mind, yellow cabs and neon signs. We said goodbye like it was fate, but some things don't stay buried away. So I'm calling through the midnight air, from London fog to Times Square glare. If you're still out there, don't let go. We were fire, we didn't know. Across the miles, across the years, through every silence, every fear. If love's still written in our bones, I'll find my way from here to home. You said Brooklyn felt like a dream. I said London's where I'd always be. Two stubborn hearts on separate sides, letting distance decide our lives. But every song, every crowded room still echoes back to me and you, like unfinished lines we never wrote, a melody that needs its notes. So I'm calling through the midnight air, from London fog to Times Square glare. If you're still out there, don't let go. We were fire, we didn't know. Across the miles, across the years, through every silence, every fear. If love's still written in our bones, I'll find my way from here to home. Booked to fly with a trembling hand, Heathrow lights fading into plans. What if time has changed your face? What if I'm too late to say? But hope is louder than my doubt, and love's a risk I can't live without. If you're there when I arrive, maybe we can rewrite goodbye. Now I'm landing in the morning light, city waking, hearts collide. If you're still there, don't turn away. We've got words we couldn't say. No more distance, no more years, no more drowning in our fears. If love survived the great unknown, then I finally made it home. We were just two lines that crossed too soon, lost in different shades of blue. But time can bend and hearts can learn. Some flames were meant to burn. If you reach, I'll meet you there, halfway between hope and repair. From London streets to New York skies, love never really says goodbye. We were lost, but not alone. Now every road leads us back home.
side of the bed stays cold tonight. Your coffee cup still where you left it by the light. I hear you laugh inside these empty rooms, but silence comes too early without you. Every sunset feels a little too long. Every morning starts a little less strong. I carry your memory through my day, counting hours till you're on your way. I miss you every time you're far from home. Every mile makes this heart feel alone. I keep your name like a prayer in my chest, waiting for the day your head finds my shoulder to rest. No distance can change where we began. My heart still reaches for your hand until you're home again. Home again. I'll be loving you till you're home again. The phone lights up and I hear your voice. For a moment the distance loses its noise. You tell me stories from another town, but all I want is you here now. I miss the way you fill this place, the warmth, the calm, your familiar face. Nothing feels complete, nothing feels the same without you calling out my name. I miss you every time you're far from home. Every mile makes this heart feel alone. I keep your name like a prayer in my chest, waiting for the day your head finds my shoulder to rest. No distance can change where we began. My heart still reaches for your hand until you're home again. Home again. I'll be loving you till you're home again. One day these roads will bring you back. No more airport tears, no unpacked bags. Just you and me under our own roof light, holding each other through the night. In all these lonely days we knew we'll become a story, me and you. We'll tell with smiles, with grateful eyes, after love outlived the distance and time. I miss you every time you're far from home, but our love has learned how to stay strong. I carry your heart wherever I go. Even when you're far, you're never unknown. So come back safe into my arms again, where our forever starts and never ends until you're home again. Home again. I'll be waiting till you're home again. The door will open someday soon. Your shadow dancing through this room, and I'll hold you close like I always dreamed. Together again, where we're meant to be. I keep my coat on the chair, like maybe you'll call tonight. Your name in my phone lit up and gone before it's right. I caught your eyes on me once, then you looked away too fast. I'm standing here with this truth, wanting a moment to last. If you only knew how every small chance, every sign. I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. I remember your voice in the hall when you said my name like rain. I wanted the answer so bad, but I swallowed all that pain. You may not see what I see, or maybe you're scared to try. I'm not asking for forever, just a reason and a light. If you only knew how I saved my heart for you, every small chance, every sign. I'm still here, I'm still trying. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. I'll show you what my heart can do. If you're unsure, I'll be soft. If you're afraid, I'll stay. I won't force a door open, I'll wait for you that way. But don't leave me in the dark with my hands full of you. Say yes, say no, say something. I need the truth from you. Let me love you, let me prove it. I'm right here, don't let me lose this. Let me love you, just one chance. Ooh, I'll show you what my heart can do. I wore my hurt like skin, kept my window shut. Rain on the metal gate and dust inside my cup. You came with patient hands and a smile that stayed, like you knew every scar still had a pulse that could wake.
I didn't trust the dawn, didn't trust my own name, but you sat through the quiet and you said my heart could change. I found love again, right where the broken ends. I found love again, you turned my night to break. I found love again, and I can feel it, yes. I found love again, 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 again.
Some days I flinch at joy, like it might disappear. Old ghosts at the doorway still breathe my fear.
But you lace up my doubt with your steady light, and the parts I buried deep start reaching back for life. I didn't trust the dawn, didn't trust my own name, but you sat through the quiet and you said my heart could change. I found love again, right where the broken ends. I found love again, you turned my night to breathe. I found love again, and I can feel it, yes. I found love again, again. will stay and sing